What causes errors in my nested Excel formulas? Imagine building a complex puzzle where one missing piece can make the whole picture look wrong. That's what errors in nested Excel formulas can feel like. When you write formulas with many functions inside each other, small mistakes can cause big problems. Let's look at what often causes these errors and how to fix them. First, incorrect parentheses are a common culprit. Every function needs an opening and closing parenthesis. If you forget one or add an extra, Excel gets confused and throws an error. When editing, use Excel's color coding feature to match parentheses and make sure they are paired correctly. Missing or misplaced parentheses can cause the formula to not work or give unexpected results. Next, the order of logical tests in nested if formulas matters a lot. These formulas check conditions one after another and stop once they find a true condition. If you put the wrong condition first, the formula might skip important checks or give wrong answers. Planning the order carefully ensures the formula evaluates correctly. Mixing different functions like if, and, or inside nested formulas can also cause errors. These functions need to be used with the right syntax. For example, and needs all its arguments inside parentheses, and commas separate each condition. If you forget a comma or misplace parentheses, Excel may show an error or produce incorrect results. Another common issue is overcomplicating formulas by nesting too many if functions. Excel allows up to 64 nested ifs, but beyond that, it becomes very hard to manage. Complex formulas are more likely to have mistakes, and debugging them takes longer. When formulas get too complicated, consider using the ifs function or lookup functions like VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to simplify your logic. Errors can also come from referencing cells with unexpected data types. If your formula expects numbers but references text or blank cells, errors like value or ref can appear. Also, if a referenced cell contains an error value, it will pass through your formula and cause errors. Typographical mistakes are simple but common. Misspelling function names, missing commas, or incorrect quotation marks for text can all cause errors. Always double-check your syntax and spelling before finalizing your formula. Extra spaces or special characters in cells can also cause issues. For example, a cell with a space before or after text will not match a logical test expecting exact text. Cleaning your data by removing extra spaces helps your formulas work smoothly. To troubleshoot these errors, use Excel's Evaluate Formula tool. It lets you step through calculations to see where the problem starts. Breaking complex formulas into smaller parts or helper columns can also help identify issues. Using error handling functions like IFERER can catch errors and display friendly messages instead of error codes. By paying attention to parentheses, logical order, data types, and syntax, you can reduce errors in nested formulas. Building clear, simple formulas and testing them step by step makes your spreadsheets more reliable and easier to maintain.